Hey guys, welcome back to the Workbench. This is where we discuss ceiling fan history, trivia, and technical information. Today we have a little bit more bonus content. Did you guys know that the US federal government has a definition for what constitutes an industrial ceiling fan? Let's learn together. And this was instituted as of 1991. Industrial ceiling fans are defined as ceiling fans that meet 6 or more of the following criteria in any combination: a maximum speed of greater than 280 revolutions per minute, a minimum air delivery capacity of 8,000 cubic feet per minute, no reversible motor switch, controlled by a wall-mounted electronic switch, no built-in motor controls, no decorative features, not light adaptable, fan blades greater than 52 inches in diameter, metal fan blades, downrod mounting only, no hugger mounting capability, 3 fan blades mount to the top of the motor housing, and finally, a single speed motor. So, now that you have that information, what I'd like you to do in the comments is see if you can find ceiling fans that we would consider to be industrial ceiling fans that do not fit the criteria, and perhaps also ceiling fans that we would not consider as industrial ceiling fans that do fit the criteria. I can think of a couple off the top of my head, so I look forward to seeing that in the comments. Shout out to the Neon Fan Company who contributed to this video. As always, if you enjoy this video series, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please continue to support our sponsors. Also, you may know we now have a Patreon where you can see this video before the public, as well as other behind the scenes and exclusive content that will never be public or not be public for a long time. And as always, our sponsors are Fan Stick, Light Stick, and Taco Burrito Mexico. Thanks for watching.